Hello again and welcome to another episode of Learning English with Jordi in this new year, 2021. It's a great time to start learning English, so don't wait. In today's episode on common errors, we're going to look at a common mistake that people often make when using the word right. The word right can have three different meanings depending on the grammatical structure being used. Right can be a physical direction. For example, I need to turn right. A second meaning for the word right is that it is a synonym of the word correct. For example, the answer to your question is right. And finally, the word right can also be a synonym of the word very. For example, the right honorable gentleman has a good idea. This last example is more common in the UK than in the US, but it is still common in everyday usage in native spoken English. Now come join me in the next episode on tips, where I'm going to quickly show you some easy ways in which you can quickly identify the different meanings of the word right. Learn English fast at Berlitz. And remember, from all of us here at Berlitz, open your world.